Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and choosing voice or empty project so tracks match speech dynamics. Once done, select your interface or mic in Preferences and set 44. 1 kHz for consistent delivery. Make sure input level sits around -12 dB to avoid clipping. You can trim gain at the device. Then add an audio track, pick microphone, and enable monitoring if you need to hear yourself. These steps prevent noise and ensure clear, headroom-rich recordings. Now focus on recording technique so voice sounds natural. Position a pop filter and sit about 6 to 12 inches from the mic to tame plosives and control sibilance. This preserves tonal detail. Record in short takes and use cycle mode to capture multiple passes, then label takes for easy comping. Once you have clean audio, apply a gentle low cut at around 80 Hz and subtle compression to add presence without pumping. These choices keep speech intelligible and easy to edit. Finish by cleaning and balancing your track so the narration sits right. You trim silences, apply short crossfades, or use strip silence to remove breaths and comp the best phrases. Then automate level rides to keep volume consistent and use EQ to cut mud around 200-400 Hz while gently boosting 3-5 kHz for clarity. Once satisfied, bounce to WAV or AF at 44. 1 kHz and save a project backup. If problems persist, check.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.